Good morning student, welcome back to Arpan International School. I am your EVS teacher Mrs. Neelam, going to tell you about how to solve worksheet of lesson number 13, sharing our feelings. In previous video we have completed our lesson number 13. So now today we are going to teach how to solve worksheet of that lesson. In that lesson we have seen about a story of a blind Ravi Bhaiya, how he is doing his daily work without anybody's help and teaching in college. Okay, so let's start the worksheet. Question number A, MCQ question. Here one question having 4 answers and you have to just take out the right one. So let's start the first one. What does Seema's father read aloud for her nanny? So here Seema's father reading aloud for her nanny, that is the newspaper, because early in the morning newspaper came in their home and nanny is not able to read and hear also. So Seema's father read aloud for her nanny. The next one, second one, what does Ravi Bhaiya use while walking? Ravi Bhaiya is a blind person. So white stick he is using always to walk on a road. Okay, not a hockey stick or nor a bamboo stick. Only a white stick he always using. Understood? See the next one. Third one, which script is used for people who cannot see? People who cannot see always use a Braille script. Okay. Fourth one, how many dots is there in a Braille script? So answer is, in a Braille script it is based on 6 dots only. Okay. The next one. Fifth one, who was the creator of the Braille script? The creator of the Braille script is Louis Braille. Louis Braille is the creator of the Braille script. The next, who is blind? Here, Ravi Bhaiya is a blind person, not a Seema's Nani and Seema's Nana or brother. Ravi Bhaiya is a blind person. Then seventh one, how is Braille script read? How we can read Braille script? How blind people will read Braille script? Answer is B, by filling with fingers. The Braille script can read because it is based on 6 dots and raised dots are there for every letter. So blind people with the help of fingers he can read the Braille script. Next one, 8th one, how does a blind person recognize another person? So answer is from his voice, not by seeing, not by finding a link to the person or with a stick. No, these 3 are the wrong statements, wrong answer, but D answer is right, from his voice. Now question number B, fill in the blanks. Here also I have given answer of fill-ups in a bold letter and underline so you can easily get the answer. First one, the Braille script is based on dash dash points. How many points on Braille script based? 6 points. Then second one, Louis Braille invented dash dash. Louis Braille, what invented he? He invented Braille script. Okay. Then third one, Seema was selected for the dash dash team. For which team Seema was selected? For football team. Seema was selected. Understood? The next one, the dash dash script is read by running one finger on the raised dot. So which script we can read by running one fingers? Braille script. Very good, because this Braille script specially made for blind people. So with the help of running fingers on a raised dot, he can easily read the Braille script. Understood? See the fifth one. Nowadays, Braille can even be written with the help of a computer. Now, with the help of computer, Braille script can be written. Okay. The next one. Seema's Nani is very fond of cutting vegetables. Seema's Nani को क्या था बेटा? वेजिटेबल कट करना उन्हें बहुत ही अच्छा लगता था. ओके. हियर इज अ वन करेक्शन. हियर इज नॉट अ ए. ओके. अंडरस्टूड. सी द नेक्स्ट. रवि भैया टीचर्स इन अ कॉलेज. रवि भैया कहाँ पढ़ाते थे? कॉलेज में पढ़ाते थे. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर सी. राइट ट्रू और फॉल्स. In front of that sentence, you have to write whether the statement is true or a false. First one, Seema's Nani cannot hear well, so the newspaper has to be read aloud. True. सीमा की नानी को ठीक से सुनाई नहीं देता था, तो न्यूज़पेपर क्या करना पड़ता था बच्चों? थोड़ा लाउडली रीड करना पड़ता था. तो ये स्टेटमेंट क्या है? ट्रू है. सेकेंड वन, रवि भैया टीचर्स इन अ स्कूल. फॉल. रवि भैया टीचर्स इन कॉलेज. ओके. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. थर्ड वन, फिंगर्स आर यूज्ड टू रीड द ब्रेली. ट्रू. With the help of running fingers, blind people can read the Braille script. Then fourth one, blind person can recognize a person as soon as he or she sees the person. False. Blind person can recognize a person as soon as he or she sees the person. False. Because blind person cannot see the person in front of him or her. With the help of his or her voice, he can recognize person. So statement is false. Next one. Fifth one, we can recognize all the things only by touching them. False. We cannot recognize all the things only by touching. Sometimes by hearing sounds also we can recognize the things. Okay, this statement is false. Sixth one, there are special schools for blind children. True. Blind children के लिए क्या होता है? स्पेशल स्कूल होता है. The next one, seventh one, for old people the stick is as useful as their leg. So here this statement is true, because for old people with the help of stick they can walk. The stick is very helpful as like their leg. Okay. See the next. Match the column. Here I have given column A and column B, and in between that both answers are given. First one, Braille script. Braille script. Second one, tape recorder. Third one, Seema. Third one, Ravi Bhaiya. And fourth one, Seema. Ravi Bhaiya third one, tape recorder, and then Braille script. And here also, see everybody, column B having teaches in a college, plays football, the script that blind people can read. Then D, Nani listens to the news, and the last fourth one, Ravi Bhaiya listens and learn. So let's start to match the column. The Braille script answer is the script that the blind read. Okay. The next one, tape recorder, here E. So after D, here E will come. So one correction is there, not a F, E is there. Okay. So Ravi Bhaiya listens and learn with the help of that tape recorder. Now Ravi Bhaiya teaches in a college. And Seema plays a football. These are the correct match the pair. You have to do it very properly in your notebook. Okay, let's start a new question. Question number E. Answer the following questions. First one, what kind of problems do people have in old age? What kind of problem? I told you in previous video, if the old senior citizens are there in our homes, so they having some health problems, just like they cannot see properly, they cannot hear properly, and they having their knees and other joint pain. So these are the some problems of old age people or senior citizen people. So start to write the answer. What kind of problems do people have in old age? So answer is they could not see properly. Second one, they could not hear properly. Third one, they could not eat properly. And the fourth one, they have pain in their knees and other joints. Just like I told you before, क्योंकि ओल्ड एज में क्या होता है, ठीक से दिखाई नहीं देता है ना, और ठीक से सुनाई भी नहीं देता. जो ओल्ड पीपल होते हैं उनको टीथ प्रॉब्लम्स भी काफ़ी होती है, तो वो अपना खाना भी प्रॉपरली नहीं खा सकते. एंड हमेशा ही उनको क्या होता है बच्चों, जॉइंट एंड नीज पेन होता ही है. तो इनके लिए भी उनको काफ़ी सारी मेडिसिन्स वगैरह लेनी पड़ती है. अंडरस्टूड अबाउट इट? वेरी गुड. सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. हाउ डज रवि भैया come to know so many things without seeing? Without seeing, how many things Ravi Bhaiya know? So answer is here. When we are going to write answer, you have to take some part of that question. Just like Ravi Bhaiya comes to know so many things by feeling. फीलिंग से ही क्या करते थे रवि भैया, बहुत सारी जो चीज़ें हैं वो क्या करते थे, उसे रिकॉग्नाइज करते थे और उनको वो पहले से ही पता चलती थी. अंडरस्टूड? सी द नेक्स्ट वन. हाउ यू एवर नीडेड अ स्टिक व्हेन? हैव यू नीडेड अ स्टिक फॉर वॉकिंग? इफ yes, then when? So here answer is no, I never needed a stick. Okay, understood? So this is the first part of our worksheet of lesson number 13. We will see next part in the second video. Till then, thank you.